All right, we've made it to our last week. So just a few things we've got this week, but they're all pretty important. So your final, exam 5, that's going to be this week. Group A, you'll take it on Tuesday. Group B, you will take it on Thursday. Will be 8 o'clock, and we'll meet in room 237. That's the same room we've been taking tests all semester, okay? So just remember, this is on chapter 20 and 21. 20 was the viruses, archaea, and bacteria. Chapter 21 was the protist. So here's the good news, is that because this is just on 2 chapters, and I think, now if you watch the videos, there's a lot of information in there, but I don't think it's really tough. It's a lot of really good note card information where you can quiz yourself and prepare that way. This should be a good chance to finish with a strong grade. So check your average. If you're like right on the borderline, make sure you're really preparing for this test, because if you're right on the line between like 2 different letter grades, if you do good on this test, you'll probably go up a letter grade. If you don't prepare or you don't do well, you might drop down a little bit. So this should be a good chance to finish on a really strong note, okay? Leading up to the test, if you've got any questions, if there's anything you're not sure about on the study guide or anything like that, please send me a message or call me during office hours, and I'll be glad to help with that too. All right. The only other thing, and this sounds little, but it's pretty big, make sure you have done the end of semester survey. So that's in the quizzes tab over to the left. There's a survey just to get a little bit of feedback about this course and how it worked as a hybrid class. I'm going to make it worth 5 bonus points. It's due Thursday because that's the last day of the semester. So what that means is after that date, you can't turn anything else in, okay? So like if you're just a few points away and you didn't do the review quiz and then you realize, oh man, I was really close. After Thursday, I can't accept any more grades. So just make sure that you do everything before that, all right? If you have any questions or if you need help with anything, let me know, and I will see you this week for the final.